Today we're cutting the ribbon to open the hangar that we have built for the air ambulance medevac plane for Grand Manan. It's something that the community's been looking forward to having happen, and we're just really excited that we finally have made it to today. Well, Grand Manan is an isolated community. It's an hour-and-a-half ferry trip to get here. We have 4 ferry crossings a day through most of the year, a few more in the summer. But really, if you're in an emergency medical situation, waiting that long for the ferry just isn't a viable option. And so to have a plane stationed here on the island that is ready to go when something happens, it's just really critical for the security of the island community.
So it's huge. It's going to be it's a big addition to the island, for sure. I'm one of 2 full-time paramedics that live on the island. I see the people every day, the grocery store, the gas station, home hardware, and I know the addresses, and so I really enjoy living here and in this community. It's huge to have the plane here and to have the hangar where it can be stored.
Weather depending, it allows us to really operate 24/7. It allows us to load the patient within a warm facility rather than on the tarmac. It gives the aircraft shelter from the elements because it's an island where wind, rain, snow, but it also just allows for better, coordination. Grand Manan is one of the first places in the province to have a dedicated ACP for aeromedical transfer as well as boat transfer, just interfacility transfer, which lessens the workload on staff. It used to be that we used to have to take a nurse or an RT to complete high acuity transfers, take them to St. John on the mainland. Now with an ACP, a lot of that stuff can be managed by the ACP and PCP team via the aircraft. So it's better care for the people that are here, and realistically it allows the hospital resources to stay within the hospital system.
I have to talk about the cooperation between Voyager Aviation, Ambulance New-Brunswick, and the village. It's really been an unprecedented partnership, and everybody was committed to making this happen. And so I think without that, we wouldn't have made it to today. For the community, I think it was important that the hangar belongs to us as the community, and regardless of what happens, it provides some stability going forward with having an air medevac service here on the island. It's like taking a big sigh of relief. The relief that we felt a year ago when the plane arrived here was one thing, but now to know that we have a secure facility for the plane is here, and this is something that we will have for years going forward, it just makes everybody sleep a little bit easier at night.